Hi everyone, this is Dr. Praveen here. See, this is a parcel from the Amazon which I am going to unbox today. So, this is the IV stand box. So, two IV stand. So, it comes along with the base and the model and clips. These IV stands are commonly used in the hospital as well as the clinical setup. So, the most of the time what we expect from the IV stand is it should not catch the rust, and it should have a very good stability on the ground. To have a stability on the ground, this is the base. So, this base should be broader, so that if you put some weight like infusion pump, syringe pump should not fall. So, for that you should have a very good means IV stand should have a very good grip on the ground and should be movable. See, if these grippers or the clips, if they become wider, then they should provide wider base, and this is the height adjustable area. So, by losing and tightening it, we can adjust the height of the IV stand also, and this is the base. So, assembling is very easy here, not much tricky, and see what we actually expect from a good IV stand is, as I told, it should be rust free. For that you have to take the IV stand, even the base is made up of SS, because while mopping and all, the water repeatedly come in contact with the base, hence the base getting or catching the rust is very common. Hence you have to select the IV stand which has the base or made of the base is also SS, so stainless steel. So, because the most of the times the upper part comes in the stainless steel and the base comes in the powder coated. The link of the instrument is given in the description box.